Hi gang! Today we're going to be learning about how to use a thesaurus. And a thesaurus is a very nifty little tool to have when you are writing research papers or emails or even just a text. It gives you a toolbox to use. So I have my thesaurus up here in my bookmarks. You guys are going to do that at the end of the assignment today. So your assignment looks like this. The first thing you're going to need to do is file, make a copy. So go ahead and do that. And when you are done, the next thing you're going to have to do is open up a new tab up here. And you're going to have to click on this link where I have linked the thesaurus for you. I already have mine open, so I'm going to jump over here. Right here, you have a dictionary and you have a thesaurus. We're going to be using the thesaurus tool today. So that's set and ready to go. Read the directions and go ahead and complete this assignment for today using the thesaurus to find synonyms. I'm going to talk about synonyms and antonyms. So down here, the second part is to talk about antonyms. So the thesaurus website is super easy to use. Let's say I wanted a different name for a book. I would type it in and hit enter or return, and it would give me the definition if I want it. I can click on this. It'll tell me how to say it. It gives me options on different words for books. Those are the synonyms. And if I scroll down a little bit further, it will also give me antonyms. Actually, this is a bad word. I don't have antonyms for a book on this one, but it'll also give you an antonyms. I'll try a different word. So when you want a new search, you go up here and you let's put in the word fast and hit enter. And here is, I can click on it. How do you say it? I can see the definition if I want to. It gives me synonyms, which are words that are the same or similar. And then down here, it gives me antonyms, which are the words that are opposite of fast. So that's a good example of how to use the thesaurus. When you have completed your whole assignment here, at the end, don't forget number 3. I'm going to ask you to bookmark that. Submit your assignment when you're completed, and that's it for today. Thanks, gang!